Hey, hello everyone. This is Mama Shahjan and hope you are fine and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to add social media accounts and how to add the links on your YouTube banner to gain more subscribers and viewers. But before starting our video, please do subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Let's begin our video. Now, first of all, we have come on this home page of our channel. Then we have to go to customize channel. Then on this banner top there is option of edit. Click on it. Then edit links. Now maximum you can add 5 links, so 3 4 5, but I have to add only 3, so I have written here, hey, click on subscribe now. It will show on front page of my banner, and I have added my YouTube account link, and this is Facebook. I have written it and linked here the website of my Facebook page and Instagram page, and then I have you can add more up to 5 maximum. Then press done. It will start saving. Now you can see that these are available on it. Now simply you can click on it and check it whether it is working or not. Now you can see that it has came to our own main page. Now this is Instagram. I've clicked on it, then it is loading my Instagram page. Now you can see that my Instagram page has been opened. If you like my video, then do subscribe my channel, and hey, also hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Thanks.